Wait, did that bird just walk underwater? Meet the brown dipper, a small river bird with a superpower. Unlike most birds, the brown dipper doesn't just swim, it actually walks along the bottom of fast-moving streams. It dives straight into icy mountain rivers and uses its strong legs to grip rocks while searching for insects, larvae, and tiny aquatic creatures. And here's the crazy part. It can even close its nostrils and protect its eyes with a special transparent eyelid while underwater. Its dense feathers trap air to keep it warm and buoyant, even in freezing water. While other birds avoid rushing rivers, the brown dipper thrives there. It builds nests near waterfalls and fast streams where few predators can reach. Small, plain, and easy to miss, but secretly one of nature's most impressive underwater hunters.